Great info. Thank you, Mon. So we saw a little bit of sun, I think, out there, didn't we, Jessica, just a minute ago? Which is, if that's true, is a far cry from what we saw the rest of the day.
Snow, sun, we got everything out there for today. We did sneak in a little bit of sun, and we're going to try to do that. It's going to be deceptive sunshine, though, if you see any of that for the rest of today and even into tomorrow as well. The cold is what we're really going to be concerned about with our weather impact alert that's going to run for the rest of today and into tomorrow, really, especially through tomorrow morning. We're going to have some dangerous wind chills possible. We've got colder air settling and some stronger winds, so that means it's going to feel colder than that temperature actually is. Those feels like temperatures expected to be below -10 for most of us overnight and into tomorrow morning. So if you have to be outside at any point, make sure you dress up fully covered before you head outside. Also want to monitor your tire pressure, batteries in your cars, pipes, pets. There's a ton of things that do not like air this cold. And again, that sunshine is a little deceptive. We see that trying to peek out a little bit in the corner there as we look out across a very chilly downtown Cleveland. We did have some snow earlier as our front moved through. So as that front moved through, we did get some snow squalls, and that meant some briefly low visibility and some areas where we had some very quick minor accumulations and some issues on the roadways. Any of that is well off to our east at this point. We're watching the chance for a little bit of lake effect. So far, most of that is offshore, but we still have a few flakes and we still have some wind. So still some blowing of the snow that's already on the ground. Visibility is going to be a concern with any snow that does develop, especially up into some of those lake effect areas between tonight and tomorrow. Winds are coming in from the west, and they are gusting. Gusts up to 35 miles per hour for downtown Cleveland, 45 for Elyria. So again, that gives us that feels like temperature. So our air temperatures are in the single digits, teens, lower double digits, but you factor in the wind, feels like -8 for downtown Cleveland, feels like -12 out towards Mansfield, and that negative feels like factor is what we're really going to be watching as we go through tonight and into tomorrow. Here's the colder air that is settling in and really going to take hold across the Great Lakes as we walk through that National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast. Again, there's a chance for some lake effect to be ongoing tonight and into tomorrow. Much of that really focused on the primary snow belt. Areas further south will sneak in a little bit of clearing. Temperatures tonight drop back into the lower single digits. And then again, this is what we're most concerned about for tomorrow. Wind chills in the -teens at least. Some areas could slip even colder as we still have some very breezy winds first thing tomorrow morning. So that's where those wind chills really bottom out, at least for right now. Through the second half of the day, temperatures really probably only make it into the teens. Those wind chills are slightly better, but they're still going to struggle quite a bit. And again, some deceptive sunshine could certainly be possible through the day on Tuesday. We do get a little bit of a break heading into Wednesday, but that's going to come with the chance for some scattered snow showers to move through, some minor accumulations possible there. Temperatures briefly above the freezing mark as we get into Wednesday. Briefly is the key word there. We're going to have those temperatures dropping again, particularly as we head into Friday. We get another burst of that Arctic air to come southward, and that really takes hold of us Friday night and into Saturday. We're also going to be watching for the weekend, a system that right now looks to stay just off to our south, but there's a chance that could definitely trend a little bit northward. So a couple things we're going to be watching heading into the weekend with that Union Home Mortgage forecast. So again, temperatures are briefly warmer on Wednesday, and then we're falling through Thursday and into Friday and Saturday. We bottom out again. So we are going to do another weather impact alert specifically for those very cold temperatures we're likely to have Friday night into early Saturday. Could be another situation where those wind chills are significantly below zero again, Christy.
We just cannot get away from that little pop of red in the 10-day, can we?
It's always something.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Jessica. Appreciate it.